This is Mike from Middleton Motorsports. Today we're going to be installing these Baja Designs XL Sport lights in place of these rigid lights. So you can see there's quite a size difference, but we're just going to go over this install today and stay tuned. Alright, so we're now installing the Baja Designs lights. One thing I want to mention is these brackets are way better than the rigid lights. It comes with this nice base that sits on top of here, mounts in two places. So this sits on here. You have one bolt that goes all the way through here. And that screws into there. And then this one mounts over here. So the other positive is it has two mounting points for the light here too, so you can pivot a little bit, but it has two secured points. Where the other one looked like it was just a kit that could have put on anything, but this it was actually designed for this Bronco. So we're just going to finish buttoning this off and we'll show you when everything's all done. Alright, finished installing the Baja Designs pod lights. Overall, this is definitely a high quality kit, recommended over the rigid lights. These actually look like they're designed for the vehicle. They mount properly, they got nice little brackets. The only downside we saw was that it came with a stainless bracket, which we didn't like. You might like it, but we decided to get them painted black so it looks a little better. But other than that, straightforward install. Came with plenty of wiring. The rigid lights, I actually had to add some wire extensions in to get the passenger side light wired up, but other than that, great kit. Everything works great. Let's test them out. Hit it, Sasquatch. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please check out our previous videos if you want to check out any of the wiring diagrams and previous installations.